Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and we are going to be taking a look at what is in the item shop today. We have a new gold explosion in Rocket League, the Grand Slam gold explosion. It is an import gold explosion, only worth 500 credits. So let's take a look. Alright, so we got some different endings to this goal explosion. We have home run, strike, that ball is out of here. But let me know your thoughts. This new goal explosion in Rocket League, only worth 500 credits. We also have a black Z current in the item shop. We also have some Jaeger decals. 2 of them are white. We have the Jaeger body in here. We got the Mantis Megabat. I don't know if this is a new decal for the Mantis. Might be, might not. But that is pretty much it for the item shop. So if you want to cop this goal explosion, you have less than 48 hours to cop it, or else it will go away. But that'll do it for this item shop video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts about this Grand Slam import goal explosion. Without further ado, I've been ProphetAce, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
I can't regret